Hello, guys. Good evening from Portugal. Hola, boa noite. Today I have only 10 euro session. Sisang di 10 euro. 10 euros. Okay, let's start. I use Scratching Mama. We're looking for 30. And of course, I found the 30, 1 euro. 30, 1 euro outra vez. I thought it's a win all, but no. This it's wet or what? I thought I found the win all, guys. 19, 24, 13. I thought it's a win all. Okay, so I got 2 euro. Okay, 2 euro. Ticket number 68. Now it's 69. Okay. Looking for 12. 19, 29, 13, 28, 14. No. Let's go to 70. Try not to show my nails. Looking for 14, 18, 22, 27, 17, 11. No? I'm looking for 29, 18, 28, 11, 15, 16. Ah, Lord. 3 in a row. I'm looking for 30, 14, 15, 18, 17. Okay. 23. 4 in a row. 4 in a row. Looking for 23, 19, 22, 27, 24, 13. How many? 5 in a row. Losers? Ay, Jesus. Looking for 27, 11, 26, 19, 28, 23. 6 in a row. Found 6 in a row, guys. 6 in a row are losers. 22, 12, 27, 26, 29, 16. Ay, Lord. 7 in a row. 7 in a row are losers? What the hell is going on? We're looking for 24, 19, 30, 14, 12, 29. 8 in a row. 8 in a row. 8 in a row are losers, guys. Looking for 24, 22, 12, 16, 30, 15. Ay, Lord of mercy. Okay. Ay, Jesus. Okay, so I bought 10, 10 tickets and I got only 2 euro. Okay, number 68. Okay, so all losers, guys. Only one winning ticket out of 10 and you give me 2 euro. Okay, so 2 euro out of 10, guys. This ticket is a joke, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.